most famous Korean. Hi guys, so today I'm going to cook the most famous Korean instant noodle. It's called Samyang. So basically, Samyang is a Korean instant noodle with a very spicy sauce. But it's not spicy though. Yeah, just a little bit. I saw a 5-year-old kid take this and it's not bad. But today I'm not just cook it right away. Just put it and mix all the spicy sauce. But today I'm going to make different 7 kind of noodle. I'm going to make Samyang Burger. So let's get started.
Alright, so first we're gonna make the bun. The bun is made of Samyang noodle. So here I got the boiled Samyang noodle. Then I'm gonna crack in an egg. Next, I'm going to season it with a pinch of salt, black pepper, and sugar. Alright, the next step, I'm gonna add in some breadcrumbs around 3 to 4 tablespoons. Next one, I'm gonna add in the full pack of Samyang spicy sauce. Yeah, it looks really red, but trust me, it's not as spicy as its look. Okay, so next I'm going to stir it well until it's well incorporated. So on the other hand, I got 2 plastic cups. I'm gonna use this as the mold for my buns. Yeah, I only can find this at my home. You can use anything to make it buns. So I'm gonna divide the noodle into 2 because there are 2 buns in a burger. Alright, one at the bottom and one at the top. So make it 2. When it's done, you can freeze it until it's ready to cook. So the next step, I'm going to make the patty. So here I got the ground beef, which has 50% of fat and 50% of lean. The more fat you have, the more delicious and tastier your burger will. So I'm just seasoning it with some salt and black pepper. Then I'm gonna add in breadcrumbs, around 2 or 3 tablespoons. Let's see until it is easy to be shaped. So in this recipe, I'm not using any egg because I want to have a texture and a beefy kind of burger. Yeah. So when the patty is well incorporated, you can shape it into a big one patty. So in a hot pan, I'm gonna add in a little bit of butter. Then I'm gonna make the bun first, the Samyang bun. Okay, so when the bun goes in, you can pan fry it for around 3 minutes, I think, each side. When it goes really crispy, you can make a good flavor. Okay, so on the hot pan, I'm going to add in some butter. Then I'm going to sear the patties. So I'm going to sear it for around 4 to 5 minutes each side, I think, until it's really caramelized and golden brown outside and it has a medium inside. Beautiful.
So now it's assembling time. So here I got the ramen burger. Here you go. So here I got the ramen bun made of Samyang instant ramen noodle. So next I got ketchup because I love ketchup so much. Here you go. So I'm going to spray it at the bottom. Just a thin layer of ketchup to give the balance of the spiciness of the Samyang noodle. So next, I got the beef patty. Here you go, 100% beef patties. So next, I got tomato over here. Yeah, I got 2 pieces of tomato. Here I got blunt spinach. I think not taking all. Last but not least, the Samyang bun. Oh my god, it exploded! No. But I'm gonna take the picture first, so check it out. So here you go. This is my version of Samyang instant ramen noodle. It's Samyang Burger. In a way to taste it. Okay, it's quite too big. I don't know how to eat this, but yeah. Pardon my face. Oh my god, this is so delicious. Cannot wait to finish it, but yeah, I think I'm not gonna show you how do I finish it. So if you like this recipe, please do like, comment and share to all of your social media, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next. Bye.